Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to the Chindi podcast. This is the third episode of the relationship series जो हम कर रहे हैं. अगर तुमने पुरानी 2 वीडियोज़ नहीं देखी या पुरानी वीडियोज़ नहीं देखी है बेसिकली तो तुम जाके देखो. दे विल ऑल्सो हेल्प यू आउट. एंड इन दिस वीडियो जैसे कि तुमने टाइटल में पढ़ लिया होगा, वी गोना टॉक अबाउट व्हाई मेन आर इनटू हुकअप्स, a psychological standpoint on that. This is my first video. इसमें हम साइकोलॉजी के रिसर्च पेपर्स या स्टडीज़ जो हैं उनको हम रेफ़र करेंगे. कोई भी स्टडीज़ जो मैं बोलने वाला हूँ वो नीचे तुम्हारे लिंक मिल जाएगा डिस्क्रिप्शन में, तो यू कैन गो चेक आउट दोज लिंक. अगर तुमने मेरी ओपिनियन जाननी कि मेरे को क्या लगता है हुकअप्स के बारे में तो ये वाली वीडियो मैं लिंक कर दूँगा. गो देयर, गो वॉच इट. उससे पहले अगर तुम रिलेशनशिप के बारे में कुछ सोच भी रहे हो तो उससे पहले मैंने एक और वीडियो करी है. इट टॉक्स अबाउट 4 traits of an emotional immature person. Probably it will also help you out, तो मैं उसको भी यहाँ पर लिंक कर दूँगा. Go to watch that. And without any further ado, let's get to the video. So जितना मैंने लिटरेचर पढ़ा है इसके बारे में मुझे पता लगा है कि men and women have different motives. So for men it's basically about the physical aspect of things, and for the women it's about the emotional aspect of the things. And men actually tend to feel more positive about casual relationships and hookups in general than women. And women actually do regret these relationships after a while or so, and men regret not participating in such relationships. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि कभी जो मैन है वो इमोशनली अटैच हो जाए बट फिर इंटीमेसी ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट लगने लगे, बट दे माइट फील प्रेशर्ड बाय एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स टू इंस्टेड ओनली हैव अ कैजुअल रिलेशनशिप, टू ओनली फोकस ऑन द फिजिकल एस्पेक्ट्स. वो जो प्रेशर बना सकते हैं वो पीयर प्रेशर भी हो सकता है, मेजॉरिटी टाइम्स वही होता है. एंड फ्रॉम व्हाट आई हैव रेड इट्स अबाउट लाइक मेन आर मोर प्रेशराइज्ड इनटू adopting this hookup culture than women. Apart from this, men tend to have more positive outcomes in the best case scenario, and in the worst case scenario they have mixed outcomes. The second thing is it's about heteromasculinity. What is that? It's actually reinforcing the fact that you are a man. That is promoted. So things like wanting to compulsively impose your heterosexuality, reinforcing the fact that you are a man and you have to consistently do it. You have to tell the other person or people or community that you are attracted to females, and that makes you a man. Attracted to females makes you a man. So that is the concept of heteromasculinity. And part of the way the men tend to do it is indulge in hookup cultures or casual dating, which are considered to be manhood acts. They try to constantly remind the other people around them that they are attracted to women. And yes, they can have casual physical encounters, they can sleep with a girl or two here and there, and it's not a big deal for them. And they do it because it proves that they are real men. होता है ना, people come to you and ask you what's your body count. Same thing. जितना ज़्यादा body count ज़्यादा होगा उतना respect बढ़ेगी. Same thing is that. And it's not about desires as well. It's not about you actually like the other person. It's not about that. It's just for social status that she is a pretty girl and it would be good if I hook up with her. And when you tell them ki I have hooked up with XYZ girl, your respect in that particular group increases by many folds. Casual encounters can afford upward social mobility that drives them to gain more respect, to claim more respect from their peers is the thing that they crave for. And it's often more important that the physical satisfaction they get from the other person. Men are actually prioritizing casual relationships much more than ever in India, I'm talking about right now, and they are doing it to avoid intimacy, having a feeling of love, and they do not want to be in a long-term relationship because that constrains them from going out and having casual relationships with other people. And to collect women as objects or numbers like body count जो मैंने बताया था, same thing, by which they seem to enhance their masculinity. To be a man, it means to be attracted to as many women as possible and to sleep with as many women as possible. And increasing your body count, that it doesn't mean that you have a meaningful relationship. It doesn't matter. As soon as your body count is increasing, your respect will increase and you will be a socially higher ranked individual. Another way that men usually perform their heteromasculinity is to brag about women they've been with, women they've slept with, and स्कूल टाइम में बहुत होता था, डू यू रिमेंबर दैट? स्कूल टाइम कॉलेज टाइम में ऐसा होता था कि लाइक कि XYZ बंदी हॉट है एंड आई एम डेटिंग हर, तो मैं सबको बताऊंगा कि आई एम डेटिंग हर, ऐसे वैसे, शी हैज़ बिग बूटी और शी की बिग बूटी बिग बट, हमेशा मैं सेम बोल देता हूँ इसको, बट कोई बात नहीं, बिग बूक्स बिग बूटी, एंड जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट शी लुक्स काइंड ऑफ हॉट, सो आई एम डेटिंग हर। जैसे मैं औरों को बताता हूँ दूसरों के लिए रिस्पेक्ट, जो दूसरों की रिस्पेक्ट है मेरे लिए ऊपर जाती है। आई एम नॉट डेटिंग हर बिकॉज आई थिंक शी इज़ गुड, आई एम जस्ट डेटिंग हर बिकॉज अदर पीपल थिंक शी इज़ हॉट। दैट इज़ ऑल्सो one point that guys do. Guys leverage their girlfriends or their casual dating hookups just for self-respect, to boost their ego and attain respect. Men's status is the most important thing for a man. If man के पास status नहीं होगा, then he thinks that no one will ever care about him, no one will give two shits about him, so he does everything in his capability to actually increase his sexual market value. SMV बोलते हैं इसको. We're talking about SMVs in another video. इस वाली वीडियो में बात नहीं करेंगे, but like I'm just saying that people who have high body counts are just insecure of relationships. This was all about today's video. अगर तुमको लिंक्स चेक करने हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक्स है, ऑल माई हैंडल्स, मेरा इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल भी नीचे ही है डिस्क्रिप्शन में, यू कैन गो चेक इट आउट एंड आई विल मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन। तब तक के लिए लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करो, और यहाँ पर 2 और वीडियोज़ आ रही होंगी, गो चेक देम आउट। अंटिल देन आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन, बाय बाय।